What's going on, everybody? It's Artez. So listen, I want to help out the next person, right? I'm not about withholding information. I've been pressure washing for the past year, over a year now. My rig over there. But I'm always thinking about different ways to be more efficient. But at the same time, you know, as I'm building my equipment, I'm not trying to break the bank. I get it, you know, buy once, cry once, and all that good stuff. But for the small stuff, you know what I mean, I'm trying to make the best of what I got. I remember early on when I bought the X-Jet, I used to just use this 5-gallon bucket, fill it up with sodium hypochlorite, a little bit of surfactant, and then I use my X-Jet to pre-treat, post-treat, or clean, you know, the surface, right? So I was thinking, man, how can I use something a little bit more smaller? My son, how can I use something a little bit more smaller and be more effective? So what I did, I got one of these yellow jugs from my pool store that I get my my SH. And you probably got the same or similar jug, 2.5 gallons that the SH come in. And so what I did was I had my drill, and then I had a drill bit, and literally just drilled a hole in the middle. So drilled a hole in the middle of the cap. And then once I did that, I stuck that vinyl tubing inside the cap. And mind you, don't drill the hole too big, but do it wide enough that you can stick the tubing in, but it's still kind of snugged a little bit. And so I put the tube inside the jug, and I put it down farther enough that it's at the bottom of the jug so that it can get as much of that chemical as possible. And then to prevent it from sliding out, if I was holding it, to prevent this from coming out this way, I just put some zip ties. So the zip ties kind of sticking out, and it just create like that barrier, that resistance, so it won't slip out. So this is helpful because you could just literally take the top off, take this top off once it's empty, and then take this top off and just put it inside, right? And then twist that on, connect the tube to your X-Jet, and then you pre-treat, post-treat, or clean, whatever you gotta do. Like, yeah, I know you can just buy a pail bucket that already has the setup, but for me, I'm just trying to be more efficient, cost effective, you know what I mean, and still get the job done. Again, this ain't earth shattering, but I feel like it's gonna help me a lot. Hopefully it help you. And you don't have to carry around this big 5-gallon. Yes, it's 2.5 gallons, but maybe you just have another one of these filled up. And when you run out of this, take the tube, put in another full one, I should say, keep going about your way. So again, hopefully that was helpful. Man, just want to spread the knowledge. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. Subscribe for more content. Till next time, take care.